Viewers, the big story that we have for you this morning is the latest as far as the attack on Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is concerned. It's a developing story, and Times now has accessed first picture of Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta after the attack on her yesterday. The Chief Minister, in the picture that you can see on your screens right now, is seen holding a meeting with BJP MPs who in fact met her at her Shalimar Bagh residence in the national capital earlier this morning. Remember, yesterday during the Jan Sunwai at her civil lines office, a 41-year-old man from Rajkot, identified as Rajesh Khimji, attacked her. Now he is going to be in police custody for 5 days and his interrogation is currently underway. The cops are probing the motive behind this attack in the midst of political blame game and several political conspiracy theories that we are seeing floating around.
And you met her. How is she? Is she recovering now from the attack that happened on her yesterday?
आज दिल्ली के सातों सांसद गए थे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री रेखा गुप्ता जी के आवास पर उनका हालचाल पूछने के लिए। आपके माध्यम से मैं दिल्ली की जनता को आश्वस्त करना चाहती हूँ, बिल्कुल व्याकुल मत होइएगा। हमारी रेखा गुप्ता जी शेरनी हैं और फौलादी जज्बे की धनी हैं। कल जो कायरता पूर्वक जो एक कृत्य हुआ है, जो अटैक हुआ है, उससे रत्ती मात्र भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा है उनके जज्बे पे, उनके सुदृढ़ संकल्प पे। वो अभी भी उसी वात्सल्य, उसी ममत्व, उसी आत्मीयता से दिल्ली की जनता से मिलती रहेंगी और दिल्ली की प्रगति के लिए अथक प्रयास करती रहेंगी।
Matter of grave concern, women chief minister being attacked in the national capital, concern for the women also in the national capital.
See, I'll tell you what, it is nothing to do with gender as such. But any kind of violence against any human being is despicable. And what happened yesterday was not only an attack on the sitting chief minister, it is an attack on the democracy of India. And somewhere I was expecting better from the political class. I was hoping that parties, leaving aside their ideological and political differences, will unite for the sake of India's democracy. Unfortunately, that did not happen, and I saw opposition parties. It was quite disheartening to see that they continued to play politics.
The Chief Minister of Delhi, Rekha Gupta, was attacked yesterday during Jan Sunwai. The accused has been arrested, has been sent to the custody. Not just that, but also, in fact, the investigation is underway. But as far as the security assessment is concerned, that's a matter of grave concern, that how the Chief Minister, a women sitting Chief Minister, was attacked in the national capital during Jan Sunwai in her own camp office. Keeping all these things in mind, Ministry of Home Affairs accessed the security and now has handed over the Z-grade security of Delhi Police that the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta used to get to the CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Forces. Times now is currently reporting outside the Chief Minister's residence where she was yesterday attacked, and these are the visuals that we are providing you outside her residence. And in fact, now the security around the Chief Minister will be significantly tightened. Definitely no individual will be allowed to approach in the close vicinity directly. All the complaints during the events like Jan Sunwai will be subject to prior verification before being taken up to the matter, is what the sources say. The security at the CM residence was earlier handled by the Delhi Police. Now the CRPF will be taking the responsibility for her protection, replacing the Delhi Police. That's the big development we are picking up after this entire matter has come to light. Investigation is underway. What actual reason was for the attacker to attack the Chief Minister is yet to be found out, but the preliminary investigation reveals that he was upset by the verdict given by Supreme Court on stray dogs, and that is why he attacked the Chief Minister. However, the political war of words are also underway. The blame game continues, but ultimately in the national capital, a women Chief Minister being attacked is definitely a matter of concern and question on the security that was being provided, and also overall on the security of women in the national capital.
Let's now go across to my colleague Tejri, who is joining us live for more on this. Tejri, we just got the first picture of Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. She was holding a meeting with all 7 Lok Sabha BJP MPs from the national capital. Now, the focus is going to be on the motive behind this particular attack. Give us more details as far as the investigation in this case so far is concerned, because there are several political conspiracy theories that are doing the rounds. But what is it that the cops have revealed so far?
Well, what we are picking up from our top sources is that all the angles in this entire matter will be probed. However, as we have been talking since yesterday, that how the preliminary motive comes out to be the upset over the accused was upset over the judgment, the verdict given by Supreme Court over the stray dogs, but yet police is trying to find out that how he tried to reach to National Capital, who was the last person who contacted him, why did he take the pictures of the Chief Minister's residence, the residence at Civil Lines as well, and the residence at the Shalimar Bagh as well. Who made him the cause? Why did he visit the Mahakal temple in Ujjain and then he came to the National Capital? Whom was he in continuous touch with? Is there any political angle behind it, or in fact is there any other angle behind it, or he was independently one who was involved in this entire attack? So all these angles are being probed.
All possible angles are being probed. Thank you very much, Tejri, for the moment.